In front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select about phone, and now reach build number. So here it is. Now you need to click on it 7 times. And as you can see, now you are developer. So if you want to reach a developer mode, just go back, open system, enroll advanced options, and here you will find developer panel. Smoothly click to open. And now you can use all the features, all the options presented here. So for example, if you want to show tabs, just tap on this icon, and now it is, as you can see, it is active. Then you can deactivate it. And it works the same with every option here. And then whenever you would like to deactivate developer mode, just unmark the switcher. And as you can see, it is no longer active. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.